Hello and Namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal, and today we have a big breaking story, especially for Chennai fans. Just before the start of IPL 2026, there's been a major setback. Yes, we are talking about MS Dhoni. He's injured, and reports say he will miss around 2 weeks. That means he could be out of the first four matches for Chennai Super Kings. This is a huge moment, not just for CSK, but for all cricket fans. What exactly happened? Dhoni is said to have suffered a calf strain. Now, this kind of injury may sound small, but recovery depends a lot on age and fitness. And remember, Dhoni is now 44, turning 45 this year. At this stage, recovery can be slower. So while the team says 2 weeks, it could even stretch longer. So realistically, we are looking at him missing at least 3 to 4 matches. Why? This is a big problem for CSK. Let's be honest, Dhoni today is not just a player, he's the brain of the team. Even if he doesn't score big runs, his presence on the field changes the game. His decision making, field placement, calmness under pressure, these things cannot be replaced easily. That's why injury forces CSK to rethink everything. They now have to plan their playing 11 strategy and combinations without Dhoni. Ashwin's strong statement, who is a former Indian cricketer, Ravichandran Ashwin, has made a very interesting point. He said if Dhoni is only playing as an impact player, then it's better he doesn't play at all. Why? Because Dhoni's real value is not just batting, it's his leadership on the field. If he comes only to bat and then leaves, CSK loses his biggest strength, his game reading and captaincy instincts. So according to Ashwin, Dhoni should either play fully or not play. Can Dhoni contribute without playing? Now the big question is, can Dhoni still help the team without being on the field? Yes, not in the same way. He could sit in the dressing room, guide players, act like a mentor, but the impact of Dhoni standing behind the stumps, guiding bowlers ball by ball, that cannot be matched. That's where CSK will miss him the most. Let's be real about Dhoni's current form. We all remember the Dhoni of 2011, the player who came at number 4 and won India the World Cup. But that version of Dhoni is not the same today. Now he bats lower down the order, sometimes at number 7, 8, or even 9. Last season too, there were many debates about his batting positions. So as a batsman, he or his impact may not be as strong as before, but as a leader, still unmatched. Now here's the interesting part. This injury could also be an opportunity. CSK has already made several changes this season. They have picked young players, including some expensive uncapped talents. 2 players were brought for over 14 crore rupees each, showing that CSK is planning for the future. So these first 4 matches give them a chance to test new combinations. If the team performs well, they get clarity moving forward. Now, who will replace Dhoni as wicketkeeper? This is another big question. The strongest option right now looks like Sanju Samson. His experience, had lead teams, and is comfortable behind stumps. Another option include young wicketkeepers in the squad, but Samson seems the most reliable. What about the batting order? Opening pair is almost fixed. Ruturaj Gaikwad and Sanju Samson. Number 3 options like Urvil Patel, Sarfraz Khan, or Ayush Mhatre. Middle order players like Shivam Dubey and Dewald Bravis. Finishers, young players like Kartik Sharma and Prashant Veer. CSK has clearly invested in a finisher who can also contribute in other areas. So expect experimentation in these earlier matches. Without Dhoni, CSK may try different batting combinations, give chances to young players, focus on building a long-term core, rely more on the captain and coaching staff. If they win 3 out of 4 matches, the season could actually start strongly. Another setback already before Dhoni's injury, CSK had already suffered a blow. Nathan Ellis was rolled out and Spencer Johnson has been brought in as a replacement. So, injuries are already forcing changes in the squad. This situation is both a challenge and an opportunity for CSK. Yes, Dhoni's absence is a big loss, but it also allows the team to explore new options and build for the future. And when Dhoni returns, they'll have a clearer idea of their best combination. So now all eyes are on CSK's first few matches. Can they survive without Dhoni, or will his absence be too big to handle? We'll find out soon because IPL 2026 is just getting started.